Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video that I've wanted to do for a really long time, but I wanted to wait until everything was like right. Yeah, I'm not going to ramble on too much because I feel like this is probably going to be a really long video, but I hope you like it because I do, otherwise I wouldn't be living in it. Okay, so I'm going to do this like vlog style, but I probably won't show my face very much. But to like show you what's actually in my room, you probably won't be able to see my face very much. So yeah, imagining we've just come like straight through the door. It has this jacket from Brandy, my washing bag and my dressing gown. That is that. Then we'd move on to this wall. It did light up, but I think the batteries have run out, so yeah. These are just like Polaroids of everyone. Yeah, I really like this wall. I just think it's dead cute. But yeah, so I like put nails into the wall and then threaded all the fairy lights through, and then like when they're on it was like whew, and it was like dead cool when it was lit up, and it made my room really cozy. But yeah, oh well. Okay, so this coffee station, I actually made it and I made the hooks and everything. I was dead happy with that. But yeah, these little mugs, there is a fourth one, but they're from IKEA. I don't know where this is from. And then I've got my Tassimo machine here. And then underneath it is all my coffee. That's quite boring. Oh, I've got a little, what's it called? A cafetiere. I've had one of those as well. So I've had to move things around a little bit on here just so I don't show like names of people and stuff, but so it did look a little bit better than this. But these are my lanyards from like dance events and stuff. So here's when we did Aladdin for Panto, the 2018 Move It. I went for 2016, 2017 and then 2018. I didn't go 2019 and then, oh yeah, this year was cancelled. Yeah, and then there's the Radio City stage tour. That was really fun. Jack and the Beanstalk. And then Disney, which was really fun. I think I had Daffy, or is it Daisy? So first we got the Hamleys photo booth. That was really cute. And then another photo booth. Hamilton ticket. Valentine's Day, which I love to this day, that picture. This was a show that I was one of the leads in. So I did that when I was 13. I had to fold it over so it didn't have all the names on, but usually it would like have the proper programme and it would look dead cute. That's my notice board, which I actually love. Then we got my desk. So these are just some cards from Thoughtful. Last month? This month's Vogue. Oh, I just got a new one. I don't know why. And then my notebook, which I do like plans for YouTube, college, all of that in. And my Sharpies, my pens, like paper clips and all that, a candle, and then one of the little snow globe things. Oh no, it's such a hook. But I want to show you the Polaroid. This is the Polaroid that was in that. I actually love that. A calendar that my granddad made. My laptop, yeah, that's like got all of us in, which I love. Like last month's was that one. Yeah, I really liked that one. But yeah, and then we got these. Lamp, obviously, computer. Got my sewing machine under there. This is just like bits and bobs, draw like stationery Tic Tacs, highlighters that I found cool, glue sticks. Oh, a llama pencil. Oh, I think someone bought me that. That was dead cute. Pins, tape measure, all of that. Just general things. Right, so this is my college drawer. I've got all my notebooks, like got my contract for work and everything. Got my highlighters. Then last year's calendar, because that was cute as well, because that one was made by my granddad as well. Got that under there. Yeah, just organising stuff. That's not really that interesting. Okay, so this is IKEA. I think that candle's IKEA. Sharpies are Sharpies, pens are pens. Is there anything else? I think this chair's also from IKEA, and my sewing machine is from John Lewis. So you might be able to tell that, oh, yeah, this is just a bigger version of this. These are from IKEA, obviously. Just my makeup drawers. That's just random like skin stuff. Okay, so just to finish off this side of the room, there's my other remote. Remotes, picture of me and my granddad, like Blue Bunny, which is something that I had when I was little, and I put on one of the adventure badges from Up on him. Hand sanitizer, obviously, because you know, corona. Water, I don't use like one of these every night. I just use the same one for like a really long time, which is so bad, but it's better than using a different one every night because, you know, plastic. And then this, which is the cork from the Prosecco we had on the day that I got my GCSE results. These are like a mini version of the Alex drawers. Okay, so I'm obviously not going to show you like everything in my drawer, but I'll show you like a few drawers that are like quite cute. Okay, so this is not cute, but it is a visual representation of my candle addiction. So I've got all my Yankee candles under there. I've got loads of candle melts at the back. These little macaron candles which my friend got me, which I thought was dead cute. And then all of these other ones. I think I might have to cover that up. But those were my prom pictures from the photo booth. Yeah, it's kind of like faded because it's been in the sun, but oh well. And then we got pictures from the Taylor Swift concert, picture of my sister and my dad, me and my friends. Oh, and slippers and blankets. Okay, so the way that my room works is it's like we've built in a bookcase and then all of behind it is just storage. So I obviously won't show you storage because a lot of stuff has just been chucked behind there, so you don't want to see that. But yeah, so I won't show you behind there, but I'll show you up to that point. Okay, so here is just blankets and onesies and stuff, and then some of my camera equipment, then loads of games. In that box is games, and in that box is also games. And then in there is just material that I might use soon. That's for when I do shows and things like that. And that's empty at the moment, but that's my makeup box. And then my dance bag. So yeah, that's that little situation. Kind of all over the place. Oh, and the Wii fitness board. It's just DVDs, Wii games, box sets, things like that. And then cooking books and random things at the bottom. And this is very wiry, I know. But it's just all the stuff for the Wii. And then my TV, currently watching Big Bang Theory. I've got some awards there. Got all my Vogue magazines, which is that whole chunk there. Whoops. And then more cooking books, all like vegan and vegetarian ones. More DVD, and then all my body sprays, and then my perfume just sat out in a fancy way. And then we've got all my bags sat out in these little boxes from IKEA. I've got a few of those are all from IKEA. Then that's mine and Tay's memory box. We need a much bigger one, but at the moment, yeah, it's in a pretty little thing box. Then we've got all my Nintendo stuff because I got it out for quarantine. That's the little certificate that Tay got me to go with the Build-A-Bear that he got me for Valentine's Day. These boxes are just filled with things like dance shoes, costume bags, leotards, all that. so this is my bed. All of these pillows are from Dunelm Mill. I think this blanket might be from John Lewis. This little guy is from Dunelm Mill as well. I put my pyjamas in there, but it's supposed to be like a massive slipper. That Build-A-Bear is from Day, and then that one we bought together at Christmas. So that one's called Peppy, and that one's called Ruby. That one I got for Valentine's Day. Got my little Disney ears. I think the bed frame is from John Lewis. Yeah, I just really liked it. I thought it was quite cute and vintage. Then I've got my jumper that I put in the mornings, my Polaroid, my dressing gown. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for my bed. This is my second nightstand, or bedside table, depending on what you call it. On here I've not got much, it's just my charger, AirPods, phone stand, again hand sanitizer. Another one of those little picture frames with the glitter, but I won't shake it because the other one got ruined when I did that. Then I've got this picture from when I did Hairspray. I played Penny in that was dead fun. Nail polish remover, a clock, and then my Google Home.
The microphone is back on.
Oh my god, that was so loud. It's like kind of boring, so sorry about that, but it's just my room, it's just what's here. So I won't show you my first one because that's just like boring stuff. But yeah, in here, oh my god, okay, this needs a clean, but it's my tights for ballet. But I did a dance, I choreographed a dance where all my dancers had to wear white tights, so I had to buy a lot of those. Got these, got tan ones, got footless, got cut ones, got convertible, got them all. This is my cupboard, it's from IKEA, I think. It needs a bit of a clean, but all my clothes that I'm like wearing at the moment, all my bags, got all my pants I'm wearing at the moment, a belt. My shoes, again, needs a clean out. I don't know why I've got them, just don't even... It was a mistake. Then I've got this mirror. There's not much to it, it's just a mirror. But yeah. Then again, I've got all like jumpers here. Got all leggings. It's kind of like sportswear, this. T-shirts. And then I've got more hoodies in there. I like to roll everything because I feel like it's just easier to just pull one out. Got hoodies, jumpers. I like my cupboard, I just feel like it's quite simple and plain. I like it. I have two tutus up there. One is a practice tutu and the green one is one that I wore for Tinkerbell. And then Taylor's Easter egg. I don't really have much on my windowsill, but it's just this, and then like one of these. This was custom made. It's of Taylor Swift. It's one of my favourite outfits that she's worn. I don't know if I still know the name of the girl who did it, but my sister got it as a birthday present for me. But she does loads of them. I absolutely love this outfit though. Yeah, then this is a, what is it called? I don't know, like one of the dressing room mirrors. But yeah, let me just plug it in. Okay, so I just realised that when I turn that on, the whole screen like jitters and it looks, why am I sounding so weird? Oh, I don't know. But the whole screen jitters, so we don't want that. But yeah. Oh, where did I get this from? I'll just do this. I don't know where I got this from, like the mirror, but I think it was like, I don't know, I think it might have been like a freelance person. Then I've just got all of this here, so contacts, hair things, brushes, which I need to wash. I don't know why there's a pencil in there, just ignore that. And then we've got like deodorant, fake tan, like moisturizer, mascara, eyebrow things, lip gloss, moisturiser, foundations I like never use, and one that I need to give back to my friend. And I've got these two which I use every time after I wash my hair, because I've got really curly frizzy hair, so I have to put quite a bit of heat on it, and that's really good for that, and then that makes it a lot less like dry. They are absolute godsends, I'm telling you. These little pots, by the way, I've got a few of them around my room. They're from IKEA as well. So this was given to me by my sister. She found it in a vintage shop, which I think is dead cute. Then I've got this little elephant that holds my rings that I'm not wearing. These cute little fake flowers. The R, which I think was from Dunelm Mill. I think, I'm not sure. And then another one of these little cute things of me and my friends from dance. This was from IKEA as well. It's quite big actually, but there's kind of not a lot in it. It's just like brushes, bubbles, and then for some reason some thread. And this I think was from Amazon. This lifts up so you can kind of see it, but it's clothes for like, yeah, clothes for the other seasons that I'm not in now. I have my broken tripod in the corner. Oh yeah, so this light is, I think it's from B&Q, but I might be so wrong. It's got these little things on it because of when me and Tay did like the little party popper things and we never took them off. These were my first ever pair of point shoes. So this painting was done by a street artist in Vienna. I actually love it. It's like kind of, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like 3D kind of. But I just think that's dead cute. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope this was good to see. It might not have been. I'm sorry it was so like all over the place and just me talking the entire time, but I do not have enough money to hire someone to follow me around with a camera. So, well, I say camera, my phone. I'm hoping to get a camera soon. I hope you stuck with it to the end of the video. If you did, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone's staying safe and in their homes. It's so surreal, this whole thing, but we'll get through it, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye!